Hi, I'm Jack Benson. Nice to meet you. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a wojack. If you follow my simple tricks, even you can make a wojack. The history of wojacks is deep and serious. If you look at this, they've been used throughout the World Wide Web for a plethora of years. Anything else is incidental. How do you make a wojack, you might ask? Well, it's simple. All you gotta do is pick your favorite photo and morph it into a shitty little drawing. Here's some great examples of other little funny characters. Now let's crack into this. You can use any program of your choice, but I personally like to set the canvas size to around 500 by 500 pixels. That way it's a nice square format and is small enough so you still have the weird pixel edges on your... I like to set my brush size to something a little bit smaller, but you're welcome to set it whatever feels right. Simply drag in your favorite photo, make a layer on top, and let's go! I like to trace the shape, just kind of follow it vaguely along the thing. Sometimes it's nice to exaggerate proportions because it's fun. Now, a lot of these characters are drawn with a lot of wrinkles on their foreheads, and they don't typically detail the eyes too much other than just kind of having it as a giant blob of one color. Make sure you forget to add the hair, and the final step is to add a little bit of a really bad grown-in goatee. That's really good. Once you've done that, you're done. You have a wojack. If you want to watch more wojack tutorials,